Dive into the cutting-edge world of genetic innovation as we explore the revolutionary concept of the three-parent baby. From science fiction to reality, this breakthrough is rewriting the rules of reproduction. Imagine a world where genetic diseases could be virtually eradicated before birth. That's the promise of the three-parent baby technique, a groundbreaking method that merges the DNA of three individuals to create a healthier, disease-resistant child. In this video, we'll unravel the science behind this marvel, breaking down complex concepts into digestible nuggets of knowledge. From mitochondria to nucleus, we'll journey through the cellular landscape to understand how this technique could change the face of human evolution. Subscribe now for your passport to the future. Let's discover how the three-parent baby could reshape the very fabric of our existence. Hello everyone and welcome back to Microscopic Galaxy. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking development in the field of reproductive technology, the concept of the three-parent baby. It's a term that has stirred up both excitement and ethical debates in recent years, and today we'll explore what it means and the implication it holds for the future of human reproduction. So what exactly is a three-parent baby? Traditionally, reproduction involves the combination of genetic material from two parents, but with advancements in medical science, a new technique has emerged. This method, known as mitochondrial replacement therapy, allows for the creation of a child using genetic material from three individuals, two nuclear parents and a mitochondrial donor. To better understand this, let's briefly delve into the world of mitochondria. These tiny structures within cells play a crucial role in energy production. Mitochondrial DNA is separate from nuclear DNA found in the cell's nucleus. In certain cases, when mitochondrial DNA is faulty, it can lead to severe medical conditions, often with no cure. This is where three-parent baby technology comes into play. The procedure involves taking the nucleus of an egg or embryo from the prospective mother and placing it into a donor egg or embryo which has had its nucleus removed. This donor egg, now carrying the healthy mitochondria, is then fertilized with the sperm of the father through in vitro fertilization. The resulting embryo contains genetic material from both parents with the healthy mitochondrial DNA from the donor. One of the primary goals of three-parent baby technology is to prevent the transmission of mitochondrial diseases from mother to child. These diseases can lead to a range of serious health issues, including neurological disorders and organ failure. By replacing faulty mitochondria with healthy ones, this technique aims to give families a chance to have healthy children free from these genetic disorders. Despite the potential medical benefits, the three-parent baby concept has sparked ethical discussions. Critics argue that manipulating human embryos in this way raises concerns about the unknown long-term effects and the potential for unintended consequences. The debate also touches on broader ethical questions related to genetic engineering and the boundaries of reproductive technology. Now, I'm eager to hear from you, our incredible viewers. What are your thoughts on the ethical considerations of three-parent babies? Do you believe the potential medical benefits outweigh the concerns, or do you have reservations about the unknown long-term effects and the broader questions surrounding genetic engineering? Drop your opinions in the comments below and let us spark a thoughtful conversation on the future of human reproduction. If you enjoyed this exploration into the three-parent baby concept and want to stay updated on the latest scientific advancements, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious.